Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's, I'm gonna show how to fix the error code 0x000007c or 0x000006e4. Windows cannot connect to the printer. The first solution is go to the start menu and type troubleshooter or troubleshoot settings and hit enter. Scroll down and select additional troubleshooters and select printer and click on run the troubleshooter. Depend of your model of printer and select any option. In this solution for me is change the default printer one note. For example, I try apply this fix and change the options depend of your problem. In this case, the print spooler service is running. The problem is fixed. Check this. The print spooler services mark or select this and change the default option of your printer. Click on close, and the second solution is enable or run the print spooler service manually. Go to the start menu and select services and hit enter and scroll down and select print spooler and double click and select automatic. Change any other option, manual or disable, change to automatic and click on apply and click on OK. And you can try stop the service and click on start and verify if your printer is fixed, or restart this service in this section and wait a moment and verify in this column, in the status column, verify the running this process and service. Click on close, and the third option is open up the start menu and type cmd and right click and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control, click on yes and copy the command in the description below and click on edit and paste. The command is printui.exe space /s space /t2 and hit enter. Open up this window and select any other option. For example, Microsoft Print or PDF, remove the driver only, or remove the driver and printer selection. For example, this, and click on yes and reinstall your driver. For example, of this, go to web browser. For example, at HP driver, download and go to fabricant of your printer, Lenovo, HP, other printer, select printer and select your model and download your driver and install your driver. Click on here, for example, and download your additional driver and click on next, install. This tutorial applies for other fabricants. Accept and click on next, install, and open it up and click on OK, and scan your printer, for example this, and click on start and connect your printer and scan for your product and reinstall your printer driver. Other option is go to this option in the start menu, right click and select device manager, or search for device manager. And hit enter. In this section, select your printer option and right click and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. And if you receive any setup of wizard, click on next, install. And you can show this message: the best driver for your device already installed. And repeat this process in all printer connected to your system. The driver, search automatically for drivers, click on next, install. The best drivers for your device are already installed in all printers in the list. And to apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu and click on restart to apply the change. And your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Follow me on Twitter. Search me or browse me twitter.com/ᴄᴏ, twitch.com/Satiel, and subscribe to support me in this channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.